Welcome to my channel. My name is Talentia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, I joined a collaboration, Hot Girl Summer, week number 4. We are here. I struggled a little bit to get the cash together for this one, but I did it nonetheless. My goal every week is to have $20 for this savings challenge collab. Like I said previously, with this collaboration, it does run 6 weeks, so I have a few more weeks to try to come up with some more money. So we'll see how all of that goes. I will link all of the ladies down below who are participating. There are freebies, which you can find in the host, Budget with Taylor's Ko-Fi shop, which will be linked as well. A playlist, it's a whole big thing. So if you're able to stop by, grab the freebies, enjoy them. And you don't have to do them this month. Save them for another time if you'd like. But let's get into what we're working on today. I should have $20 here. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I do have $20. And just like last time, I am going to be using my players cards, which seem to help me not have too many IOUs or be in a predicament where I owe myself money the next time we come together. So let's see here. What we'll do is same as always. I think we've got a little routine going that works for the way my challenges are set up. I forgot to mention last week, I'm doing 10 savings challenges. There's 10 ladies in this group, but I'm doing all 10 savings challenges at once. Now, I will be straight up with you. I did adjust my savings challenges to work for my budget. I did not leave them at high amounts if they were too high for what I was working with. So all of my symbols are worth $1. So let's see what we can do today. We're going to give each savings challenge one card. If I get a skip or double, we'll pull another. If we get a misfortune, then we will pull another card. Okay. All right, let's see what we've got. Misfortune, flip again, add $2. All right, so we've got $3 right after that. 1, 2, 3. $1. All right, misfortune, $2. All right, so we have 3. Oh, this money's going fast, isn't it? $1, $2, $2, $2, $2, $1, $1, and $2. All right, let's see. What do we want to do? We have $2 left. Oh no, we're not going to flip it. I mean, I guess technically I could flip a card because it shouldn't be more than $2, but if I get a misfortune, I'm going to be in trouble. How about, let's see, $1. Okay, that's okay. Let's see, skip or double. What am I skipping or doubling? It doesn't matter. I don't have it, so I'm going to have to skip it. Oh, skip a double, skip a double. I think what I'll do is I'll just put this last dollar here. That's what we'll do. So then that way I'm not having an IOU. Okay, let's... I get so nervous about that part where you start to run out of money. Now the fun part, to stuff these envelopes, and I'll let you know which lady made each savings challenge. This first savings challenge is from Make Money, Save Money. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. And she is the hostess with the mostest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 is what I have here. All right, and this next savings challenge from Sassy Beauty Budgets, we're adding 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. I just said I hadn't completed a savings challenge, and here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. I should have $8 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I've completed my savings challenge. And I'm just going to put down here week 4 completed. All right. Okay. So I am going to move the completed savings challenges to the back, so that way I can still show them, but they won't be in play. So let's wait till we get to the back there. All right, and then we're adding this $1 to the savings challenge made by me, Cynthia Budgets. So we have $1 going there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. And we've got $2 going into Hustle and Flows Co. 1 and 2. In total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seems to be the lucky number today. All right. We've got $2 going into Income Babes. All right, 1 and 2. In total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and this savings challenge is from Pink Chic Budget. We're adding $2. 1, 2, and we completed another savings challenge. I should have $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 completed. Yay! Okay, that's 2 savings challenges completed today. Seems like 8 came through for me today. $8 is a good solid number for me today. All right, and we're adding $1 to this savings challenge from Simply Tea Plans. And in total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. All right, this savings challenge is from Hot Beauty Budgets. We are adding $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. And then we're adding $2 to I Am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs Savings Challenge. In total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. Oh, so close, so close, so close. Yes. So with all this progress being made, I do have a couple of weeks left, 2 weeks left. I'm just fixing this sticker came off. 2 weeks left to save, and I am still going to try to focus on my goal of $20 each week in hopes to complete a few more savings challenges. That's the best I can do. I know it's a lot easier said than done when you have a game plan. But like I said, I did make adjustments on my savings challenges to try to work with my budget because I am very low income and I'd like to see myself win. At least, I mean, I completed 2 savings challenges today. Yes, they are very small numbers, but they add up. If I get a few more done, that is such great progress for me. So I'm going to just keep at it. Guys, I want to thank you so much for coming back again. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.